Summarize today. Video how butter is made in a factory. Butter factory process. Let's guess starting here is the refined explanation of the butter making process in a factory with all symbols removed. 1. Milk collection and transportation. Fresh milk is collected from dairy farms and transported to the factory in refrigerated tanks to maintain its quality. The milk undergoes initial quality checks for purity, fat content, and contamination. 2-point cream separation. The milk is sent through a centrifugal separator to separate cream from the skimmed milk cream, which contains a high fat percentage, typically 35 to 40%, is used for butter production. The skimmed milk is often processed into other products like cheese or milk powder. 3. Pasteurization. The separated cream is pasteurized by heating it to 85 to 90 degrees Celsius, 185 to 194 degrees Fahrenheit, for a specific time, and then rapidly cooling it. This process kills harmful microorganisms and ensures a longer shelf life for the butter. 4th, cream aging. The pasteurized cream is cooled to a temperature of 5 to 10 degrees Celsius, 41 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, and allowed to age for several hours. This process stabilizes the fat crystals, which is essential for achieving the desired texture in the butter. 5. Churning. The aged cream is transferred to large churning machines. The churning process breaks the emulsion of fat and water in the cream, causing the fat to clump together into butter granules. During this process, buttermilk is separated from the butter. 6. Washing and draining. The butter granules are washed with cold water to remove any remaining buttermilk. This step ensures the butter has a clean taste and prevents spoilage. 7. Kneading and working. The butter granules are kneaded and worked to achieve a smooth and uniform texture. Salt may be added at this stage if salted butter is being produced. 8. Standardization. The butter's moisture content and fat levels are adjusted to meet regulatory standards in the product's specifications. 9. Packaging. The finished butter is portioned and packed using automated machinery. Packaging materials are often designed to be airtight and light-resistant to preserve freshness and flavor. 10. Storage and distribution. The packaged butter is stored in cold storage at temperatures below 10 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Fahrenheit, to maintain its quality. It is then distributed to markets, supermarkets, and other retail outlets. Quality control is maintained throughout the process, with samples tested to ensure the butter meets strict standards for texture, flavor, and fat content. This efficient process ensures large-scale production while maintaining consistency and high quality.